everyone, I'm Landy. This is the official Sino construction news channel for Kongmat. We are happy to see you again here. Our news is weekly update. Now let's review what happened on China's construction machinery industry last week. Horizon Equipment has been working with over 6 aerial work platform manufacturers in the past, such as JLG, Genie, Howlett, etc. But it's not the same case today.
In 2020, Horizon Equipment began to increase cooperation with Chinese aerial work platform companies. After successfully signing a cooperation agreement with Zhejiang Dingli Machinery on June 10, Horizon Equipment went on to sign a strategic cooperation agreement with XCMG, a brand with a high sales volume in China. Chen Yuzhang, the general manager of Horizon Equipment, pointed out, through multiple in-depth talks and field visits, plus the product experiences in the early stage, Horizon Equipment believes that production of structural parts, painting, and assembly line of XCMG factory is perfect, and the quality of parts has reached world-class standard. The R&D strengths, manufacturing capability, product performance, service quality, and the other aspects are quite solid. XCMG, as a top national brand AWP product, is one of our reliable long-term partners.
Due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, the 127th China Import and Export Fair had no choice but to be held online for the first time. Novo Heavy Industry Corporation Limited focused on creating a product display and 360-degree panoramic VR live streaming platform.
This time, the Novo positively launched a full range of products, including agricultural equipment, construction machinery, and other products. All exhibit materials are translated to multiple languages. Simultaneously, Novo provided 24/7 live video digital marketing services for global customers by offering product recommendations, suppliers and buyer referral, and online negotiation services, etc., actively exploring the new model of B2B live streaming at foreign trade company.
Under the tide of high-tech infrastructure construction, new technologies such as 5G industrial internet and artificial intelligence will accelerate the path of transformation and upgrade of traditional manufacturing industries. The high-tech infrastructure construction marked by 5G is frequently mentioned by related decision makers, and leading enterprises of Chinese construction machinery industry such as Sany, XCMG, and Weichai Power have been involved in by actions one after another.
On June 11, the Sany officially signed a contract with Tencent to jointly build the first smart call center in the industry. The center, at the same time, will also launch a new generation of customer service bots to build the first digital service team in the industry. Once it is completed, it will achieve an efficient response to 83% of repeated consultations, which can greatly improve user experience. In fact, as early as the beginning of 2019, the Sany Heavy Industry Corporation has started to put 5G technology into production and successfully launched the world's first 5G remote control excavator in a few months. This became the first case in the industry to successfully put 5G technology into application. Also on June 11, the signing ceremony of the strategic cooperation between Weichai Group and Huawei was held in Weifang, Shandong Province. Mr. Yao Fuhai, a member of the board and Chief Supply Chain Officer of Huawei, Mr. Tan Xuguang, Chairman of Weichai Group, attended the ceremony. According to the cooperation agreement, the two parties will exert their respective advantages in the industrial field to carry out in-depth cooperation in the fields of industrial resource sharing, digital transformation, and innovative business model exploration, etc., working together and growing together. In terms of 5G technology application, how can we not mention XCMG? As early as November 2019, XCMG also worked together with China Unicom and Huawei to conduct in-depth cooperation centering on the field of 5G technology and the construction machinery industry. Specifically, taking XCMG heavy equipment as pilot project, XCMG built first 5G smart industrial park with a private network in the construction machinery industry, developed a leading business scenario application that integrated 5G technology.
Okay, let's check more news brief as following.
June 9th marks the 45th anniversary of diplomatic relations between China and the Philippines, after Prime Minister Li Keqiang and President Duterte of the Philippines reached an agreement on assistance to China-funded drug rehab center in the Philippines. China State Construction Engineering Corporation, as a general contractor of the project, has shown remarkable performance by creating impressive China speed and China quality. More importantly, CACC adhered to the localized implementation model of recipient country self-build. A large number of local infrastructure supplies were used in the project construction process, including construction equipment, materials, furniture, medical instruments, etc. The total purchase amount reached $10 billion, which joined the local economic development and increased the income of residents along with the project.
After launching its first online live streaming in May this year, XCMG opened the second online live streaming focused on Central Asia on June 12 and received more than 60,000 sign-ups in 2 hours. This is also the first Russian live streaming in Chinese construction machinery industry.
The live streaming was mainly focused on the Central Asian regional market and especially launched 14 products that are very popular in the local area, including but not limited to cranes, loaders, excavators, mining equipment, road machinery, and aerial work platforms. On June 11, the world-renowned aerial work platform magazine, Access International, owned by KHL Group, released the list of 2019, the top 20 global manufacturers of mobile elevating work platform, XCMG. China's aerial work platform manufacturers collectively bore the list, such as Zhejiang Dingli, LGMG, XCMG, Senneboom, Zoomline, Sunshare, and the Mentor Heavy Industry. And these mark that the Chinese era of the global aerial work platform has come. Recently, Shantui construction machinery shipped in batches to New Zealand, West Africa, Philippines, and other countries. Particularly, it matters a lot to Shantui that its fully hydraulic bulldozers DH24 were sold in batches to the Philippine market. This achieved a breakthrough in the sales of series products of Shantui's all-hydraulic equipment from 80 to 240 horsepower, which once again increased the local influence of Shantui. In May, the revenue of Liugong's domestic parts sales once again exceeded 100 million yuan, achieving a breakthrough for 3 consecutive months in exceeding 100 million yuan. According to statistics, the cumulative sales revenue of Liugong's domestic parts sales increased by 13% year-on-year from January to May.
Now we're providing China's construction machinery news with 165 nations. Subscribe us on YouTube and official website. Comments, likes, or share will definitely be great support for us. We want you to watch, share, and make comments on our site on construction news. Okay, thank you guys for your watching and see you next time.